Hey guys, this is how to find saved feeds on a Blue Sky app. So guys, watch till the end in order for you to understand this topic. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Blue Sky application into your device and make sure to sign in into your account. So guys, this application will be available on Google Play Store and App Store. And now from here, just simply tap on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen or the hamburger icon, and a side tab will show up. And from here, you should be able to see feeds down the notification. So just simply tap on feeds over here, guys. And now, once you tap on feed, you should be able to find your saved feeds over here. And as you can see, you can just simply go ahead and tap on edit on the top right in order for you to organize your feed, or you can just simply pin the feed over here. So pretty much it will be depending on you. And as you can see, you should be able to see here your save feeds. And as of now, I don't have any save feed, so it is not showing anything. And now, if you go back and if we scroll down, we should be able to see here multiple feeds as well that we might want to consider. And that's simply about it. Thanks for watching.